Machine operator Mark wants to significantly and sustainably boost the productivity of his production environment. This is why he gets together with machine builder Robert to talk through some potential solutions.
You want to boost the productivity of your machines, Mark? There are various ways to do this. Either you use high-quality tools, or you optimize your machining programs. In any case, the decisive factor is a state-of-the-art and powerful CNC. I've already equipped and commissioned the first machines with the new Sinumerik One CNC system developed by Siemens. I can tell you one thing, the increase in performance is remarkable. When fully expanded, for me, there's no other CNC system on the market at the moment that can offer more computational performance. This control is equipped with a fast multi-core processor. It offers optimal performance for motion control and automation.
How does the high computational performance pay off? Can you give me a couple of practical examples?
Of course. For example, just think about the impact of idle times during the machining process. With Sinumerik One, already optimized tool changes become significantly faster again, thanks to the higher automation performance of the CNC system. You're machining simple prismatic parts? Here you can boost productivity by up to 5%. Sinumerik One also has a positive impact during machining. Just think about the 5-axis machining of complex free-form surfaces, for example. In this machining process, a vast number of points must be computed in the shortest possible time. This can result in the control actually slowing down machining. Thus, the full potential of the machine could not be utilized. However, processing the programs more quickly with Sinumerik One solves this problem. Faster traversing axes and higher acceleration rates also require shorter control cycles. In this case, high-performance CNC Sinumerik One maintains highest precision.
All these points sound really good. What sort of productivity increases can I expect?
We were able to slash 5-axis machining times by 30% with the benchmark tests that we've already performed. When compared to Sinumerik 840D SL, we were even able to achieve a better surface quality. But perhaps the most important issue is digitalization. In order to sustainably optimize production workflows, you should record and analyze process data in real time. This represents a huge potential to sustainably optimize production workflows. Sinumerik One's already offering enormous performance reserves for today's machine concepts and for future concepts.
That sounds great. Machines with Sinumerik One significantly and sustainably increase the productivity of my production environment. Not only this, I am already today well prepared for the requirements of the future.